Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 28th, 2025. It's a calm day today. Winds are. Could have calmer yesterday. This morning we had one of the public adjusters come and the public adjuster inventory person come. So they're going to be here many hours. So she's starting. Have a good feeling about it, that a lot better feeling than with the other, with the insurance company adjuster and all. So hopefully things will go pretty well. So yesterday I got Optimus, the Kubota Grand L6060 out of this section here, got the roof taken apart and got that taken care of. And today I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of work here. Today we're going to end up picking up a new Model Y for Thea this afternoon. But gives me a little bit of time to get some work here and get some supports over to the other wall on the other side. So I probably won't do any filming of that today, and I'll touch back later and we'll see what I did get accomplished. Well, today I didn't get to spend as much time working out here as I would like to. Basically just like a half a day. This morning we had the claims adjusters come and I worked here, got the stuff off of the blueberry bed here, the wall that was there, the other wall section that was here as well, and started picking up and cleaning up and sorting through more of the materials and all. And it was a pretty decent day today. And then Thea got lucky and we went and picked up her new Model Y, the launch series. So she's super excited, and that one has full self-driving too. So this is really her first chance to feel very comfortable with a full self-driving. She hasn't really driven the Cybertruck much. I think she's only done the testing. So she just got back from picking up the Model Y, and I think she's loving it so far. It's the new launch series Model Y. It's amazing, and it's beautiful. So not a lot happening here today. No big action. Frost-free hydrant is good. A lot of the blueberry bushes are just wiped out here, and there's still more stuff to pick up and all. I'm going to bend over some of these nails. Some of the foundation, when the wall came over, ripped out there as well. And I got more stuff out of the cabinets today. Just running out of spaces to put things, but we're making headway. So a short video today. I think that's about it. Please stay safe and enjoy your life. Take care now. Bye-bye.